darling, I just want to drink from your stream. For your love is like the mountain water, clear and sparkling as a dew. And to love you until my life is over